the part two of the like web designing.
Yeah.
Not web designing also. Whatever
Yes,
it's.
sir.
Okay, you can try once again.
So guys, this video is gonna be really interesting because I'm just gonna teach
Okay,
you
sir.
how to
Okay.
just web design, like how to make an HTML web page. Okay, so this, okay,
Firstly,
and if someone is new to my channel, just subscribe
firstly,
my
read a
channel, just bell icon,
mechanical
and
operation on something in
if
order to
someone is
change
already
or
joined to my
preserve
channel,
it is
then
called
you
process
like my
word
every
processing.
videos, okay,
Okay, did
and
I teach you like this,
if someone
Vaishni?
has
Yeah.
not still watched my
So word pressing, the
previous video
meaning is
of
word
part
pressing is
one,
one
you
thing,
can
replying another
watch
thing.
it from the link given in
I don't know that
description below.
what you're how you are
So guys,
preparing for the
without
for your
wasting time,
test.
now
I
let's
don't
get
know.
into our video.
Okay, leave it that.
Okay,
Anyways,
guys, first
good
thing we
try,
need to do
yeah.
is
Revise without
you need to open
learning.
the notepad for
Without
this.
learning, you can't come over your good studies, students.
It's
Okay,
opening.
Saulin Basnet.
Make it like
Saulin
this.
Basnet.
So I'm gonna
Saulin Basnet,
minimize
are you
this,
there?
and
Saulin
I'm gonna
Basnet, or
just make
your
that
mic
as
also has gone.
okay.
Okay, I think Saulin is he's not there.
Untitled, still untitled. So what should
Sujan
I do
Basnet.
is,
Yes, sir.
but
Okay. You Saulin Basnet and Sujan Basnet, you two are
and of
broken.
this, wait a second.
No, sir.
Okay.
I use this.
Sujan,
Yes, sir.
how's your preparation going on for the examination?
Nice, sir.
Copy as it
Look,
is.
students, you have to learn well, okay? You have to see
Oh,
your
sorry,
teachers'
it
efforts,
cut.
how we are doing hard works
We're
for
gonna
your
do
better
copy
studies.
and
Okay, Sujan,
paste there.
tell me
So
that to align,
go
tell me
there.
the shortcut is following. Okay, to align the paragraph from the right side. Shortcut for this.
Pictures. So I'm gonna
Control
paste it. And
CTRL
this one, right?
plus right align key.
CTRL plus right align key means right align key means which key?
Wait a second, guys.
Sir, I don't know.
After it
And you
comes
students, I
over
told
here,
you
I'm just gonna
1 crore
move this
time.
my project
Don't say CTRL,
to
CTRL. Why? Who taught you
desktop over
CTRL,
there.
CTRL? I don't understand. This is control button. This is called the control.
Now what I
CTRL full
do,
form is
okay?
control. Yeah, you should not say
I'm gonna
CTRL,
come down.
ALT,
I'm gonna just go
SHIFT.
upwards.
I told you to
I'm
say
gonna
the control
save it.
button. And you people are always saying CTRL,
Desktop.
CTRL. I don't understand
So now what
from
I
which
will do
planets you have
is
learned.
this desktop editor. Actually
Okay,
already
students,
shifted
your preparation is
my
completely
project.
zero.
Now I'm gonna
Your preparation is not
cancel
being so
this.
good, and we are not
I'm
going
gonna
to revise the
that.
students, isn't it? The classes, courses will
And now
go
I'm
on
gonna
and on.
go to
There won't be any revisions.
desktop
There won't be any kind of a revisions of your chapters. The
and my
chapters which
project.
is prescribed for the examination, there won't be any revisions.
Okay, now I'm
The
gonna just
revisions you have to
open
do
the
at your home
that's
yourself.
not open but
And if you have a
what
problems on your revisions, then only you have to ask with us. Okay, Subrata, Subrata Pokhrel.
cancel
Yes, sir.
Okay, Subrata, what is the shortcut key
desktop
to align the paragraph from a right side?
The shortcut key to enter from the
and where is that my project?
control
Yeah.
plus
What the hell? Here's all
control
my
plus
project. I don't know what.
R.
Hmm?
Okay,
What is that?
paste this.
So control plus
Control plus L.
My project.
Control plus
It's
control
empty.
plus
No,
R.
G.
just not.
R.
Oh,
Control plus R.
no.
Yes.
I mean, play it over here. Play it over here.
Control plus
Pause it
R
for what?
or L will be half of the time will be finished in searching the answer only. Because
So guys, this is the one which
questions are
I'm
not
gonna
asked from your
open,
chapters.
and over here I'm gonna open it.
Middle of the
Control
lessons.
O.
Question
I'm
hasn't asked
gonna go to
from
the
your exercises.
in
Okay.
documents. In
And
desktop I'm gonna go.
if you want to
I
prepare
have my
well,
project.
if you want
And
to
over
learn
here,
line by line from the
just
chapters,
check it out.
then you will have a problems to
All
reply the
files.
proper answers.
See.
Okay, Sulikcha
Here I
Kharka.
was written here. So I'm gonna open this. Okay.
Sudiksha
So
Kharka.
guys, our part 2 in this, I'm
Sudiksha
going to
Kharka, are you there?
open close and
Sudiksha.
heading
Okay, I think
towards,
Sudiksha also she went for.
and you can close
She
it.
didn't wake up
First
till
thing you
now.
need to know is H1 is for heading and how much
Okay,
break you
Sukriti
read
Silwal.
comes that much.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Okay,
like, I'm
okay,
going to type
Sukriti.
hello
Yes, sir.
friends,
Tell me the fill in the
and
blanks.
let's
Okay,
do
how? Okay,
some
first of all, you say
friends,
that how's the preparation going on for the
friends,
examinations?
Sir, it's going
hello
well.
friends,
And do you know the
and
exam date?
I'm going to save it now.
Sir,
I'm
sir.
going to come
Do you
here
know
over
the exam
here.
date? Exam when the
Now
examination
refresh
will
this
start
page.
here?
Yes,
You can
sir.
see over here because
Yeah, from
it
when?
is in
Sir, from
heading H1,
16th
so
of
for that
Post.
only came in big letters.
16th of course.
Now if
And
you
you know
want to
very
make
well
it a
today.
little
What's the
bit
date?
smaller or a little bit but bigger than this,
I don't know.
then you okay.
16th of
The
post only, you
most
know, and the
smaller
date.
is
What's the,
H1,
today's date? You don't
which
know.
is
I
Okay.
just know English
type.
date.
Oh my God, you must
So I'm
know
just going to
Nepali
write
date,
it
our
H5
Nepali
and
date.
I'm going to control
English
S
days,
it.
we are not going to follow English date.
You
We are going
see
to
it
follow the
how
Nepali
much
date.
smaller
Today is
it is
9th.
because it's an
Means how many days late
H5
now?
type.
Today is
So if
9th
you're gonna
now.
make it a little bit
6 days.
bigger, then you
Okay,
can
you
just
have to
do it
love our
S3
country,
or
love
you can
our
just do it S4.
cultures, love
It
our
does
calendar
become
also
a little
even.
bit bigger, but
Okay, sir.
You
only a
understand?
little bit.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sukriti,
S4.
Sukriti, I'm going
Okay,
to
I'm
ask you
gonna
one
save
question
it.
from here
I'm
because in the
coming over
books there's
here
not
where
given
you can
such a
call
good questions.
it.
Those
Now
I'm
it became a
asking to
little
you
bit
from the
bigger.
fill in the blanks. Okay,
So guys,
Sukriti.
if you
Okay,
want
sir.
like this
Okay,
to be,
I'm reading the
I'm gonna
questions
say
and
it
you
guys
just
when
put
it's
your
beginning.
fingers over the lines of your books. Fill in the blanks.
Okay, sir.
Now if you
It will
want this to
used
become
as for creating letters
an
before the
H3
computer.
position and
Typewriter.
this wants to
Very good.
become
Okay,
H3
very good
position.
preparation,
And
Sukriti.
it
Keep it
becomes
up
a little
and
bit
learn
more
well.
bigger because
And don't
we
disappoint
use
us
it.
like your friends,
So
how they are
now we should find
replying. Even they do
H2,
not
then
know
it
they have
becomes
books
a
also. They
little
have
bit
an answer over
bigger.
there also. But they are not replying proper way.
H2.
So it's really
Let's
making us very much sad
refresh this
also. Okay,
page
thank you, Sukriti.
because the
Thank you, sir.
most bigger thing
Okay,
is
Shuyok Kharka.
heading H1. And we're
Shuyok,
going to
how's the
write
preparation going
heading
on,
only.
Shuyok?
Okay, guys. So
You are
H1
very
heading.
good.
So it
So
becomes
definitely you
bigger
can do
than
it,
this.
and this is not so much a big time also.
Guys,
You
now
have a
we're
lots
gonna
of
write
days.
it
Also,
over
still you have
here
a
and
6 days. You
over
can
here
6 days.
you're
You
gonna
can
write
revise all the
H1
chapters very well.
and over here
Okay, Suyok, I'm asking
you're
you
gonna
from the
write
true and false
okay
questions.
paragraph. You're gonna write paragraph over here.
The
P
spelling
means
mistake is
paragraph.
underlined with red line.
So guys, we come
Very good,
over here
Suyok.
and you need to write in P that I will just do it like this. Next,
Okay, now
hello,
name Tasi.
that and equals
Yes,
you
sir.
Okay, Tasi.
and this
So could you tell me that? What do you mean by word
and more
processing?
this. I'm gonna write
Mm,
over here
processing.
Yes.
style this and this. You're just gonna write it over here. Style and text align so that it
Mm,
comes in center.
mm,
So I'm just gonna do column. And after this, I'm gonna do a little space bar. And I'm
Yes,
gonna write
Tasi, you
over
have
here.
book also. You
I
can
want
turn the
this
books. You
text
can
to
see
become
in the
in
books also. You can
center. So
get
I'm
the
gonna just
answers.
do it
You
like
have
this.
still
the
time.
And
process
I'm
of
gonna write it
writing,
over here.
editing,
How kind
formatting, and
of
printing
like
document in a
if I
particular
wrote
layer.
over here, hi guys,
Yes.
then it
Oh
comes
my
in
God,
middle now.
you spoke in such a fast
You
and
see, it comes
quick
in
way.
middle.
It's really amazing.
Why
Okay,
it
thank you,
comes in middle
Tasi, for
is
having
I
a
just
correct
wrote
answer,
text
isn't it?
align. You can see
But
over
you see
style,
that.
and I just wrote
Uh,
here text
okay, Tasi.
align
Anyway,
and
you have a very good
and
question
column
answers,
and center
and
and
I believe
semicolon.
that
So
you also preparing very
this
well
text
for the
align
examinations.
means where
Am I
you want to
right,
keep this, like if you want to keep down or if you want to keep upwards
Tasi?
or if you want to keep in
Yes, sir.
canvas button,
How is the
then
preparation
you can
going
just
on?
type over
Good.
canvas
Very good. Okay, keep it up and
um
do not disappoint your teachers.
and
Okay.
fonts
Yes, sir.
and
Okay.
we're
Now I'm
gonna
going
save
for
it.
the next is
We come here
called
and
Topendra.
see.
Topendra Acharya.
It became a little bit downer. It was over here that time. Now
Topendra
it came in over
Acharya.
here.
Are you there,
If you
Topendra
don't write
Acharya?
canvas, then it will come over here over here.
Topendra
Below
Acharya.
exactly downwards
Are you
of hello
there?
friends and okay
Topendra Acharya.
so
Are you
now
there,
you
boy?
just and
Okay,
I'm
I
going
think
to write
Topendra also
this center
he's not
and
present,
just save
but
this
he just connected
and
only.
refresh this
Maybe
and cut
he's
this.
going
So
for
guys, now
having a sun
what
bath
to do,
or
and now guys if
he
you
run
want to
away
color
from
this
his place. Okay,
hi
then
guys
last one.
in Okay,
Utsav
red.
Rai.
Then you need to come over here. Okay, and before this
Utsav
column
Rai.
ends, this column, you have to write
Utsav Rai.
before this column, and you have to write over here spacebar, or spacebar, and you have to write that over
I think
here
Utsav Rai is
color
also not present.
and
And if any students,
get
those who
this,
left
so
to
this
have their
option
oral
shift
taste,
plus
please you
column
can write in chat box
and
me sir.
pin six semicolon
Okay,
also.
write down in the chat
And
box
after
me
this, you
sir.
need to
Those who
write
left
red.
to
Which color you
attempt
want?
their
Red.
oral taste,
Oh, sorry.
and please write
I'm
down
doing
in
that
your
now.
chat
I'm
box
gonna
me sir.
give this mark color red.
Okay,
I'm just gonna save it. Below this, you're going to
Isloma
just save it out.
Limbu. Okay,
Okay.
Isloma. What is
After this,
Isloma?
this
How pronounce?
Yes,
you
sir.
see this
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, girls. You
closing
must
button is
learn.
of this page.
How's the preparation going on,
Paragraph
Isloma?
and inside paragraph style text
Nice.
align
Very good.
center.
Okay, Isloma,
After
I'm
this,
asking
this
you
bar
one
color
questions.
red
Okay,
and this
should I
ends.
ask you the
Now over here
questions,
and this
tricky questions? Should
ends
I ask you, or should I
in the
ask you the easy
ending of
questions?
paragraph writing. Here it is of hi guys.
Okay, I'll ask you the true and
So
false. Okay,
guys, now I'm going to
Yes, sir.
save it.
backspace key. Okay, look
I'm gonna minimize that. You can see over here guys. It's
Sir.
so if I've want this hello friends also become over here. You just have
false.
to write
Backspace
this
key
over
allows
here
deleting the text from the right
like
side
that
of the
one.
cursor position.
And special bar. Then you
Sir,
have to
true.
write stat
Okay, very good,
this
Islama.
this
So
and set this text
thank you for
align.
replying and prepare well
So
for the
if you just
examinations.
want this
Now,
like it is over
is there anybody who
here
likes to say that
and
me
you just
sir?
have to
This is
write it.
how the Islamas she say that me sir. I
Color
asked
if you
with
just
her,
want this
and
color to come
is there
anything
anybody?
so you
Because now
have to
onwards,
just
I'm not
okay
going to
wait
take your taste.
and we should do like
Okay, I'm not
this
going to repeat.
save I'm gonna
Is there
just do like
anybody?
this and red. You
No.
can see guys how I'm doing.
Okay, then
So this red
it's
became over
okay. Then it's
here in
enough.
this
Now I'm going for okay. Who
red.
is this? Ades Dakal.
So if you don't want red
Why
and
did
if
you
you
come so
want
late?
okay,
I'm
I
after
just give
knocking
it
the so
this
many
as
times the
red
door. Been saying,
nonetheless.
okay,
Reload
Ripson.
it.
Okay,
Okay.
Ades Dakal.
I'm just gonna comment over
Ades
here.
Dakal.
You know, permission to live space
Ades
bar.
Yes, sir.
Dakal. Okay, yes,
And
yes,
I'm
yes.
gonna write over
Sorry,
here.
teacher
Sorry.
is calling you Ades Dakal. Ades Dakal. Then you must say no. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Nidesh
need
Singh.
is slow.
I'm gonna write it over here text
Guys,
align.
what?
Sir, need is kind of slow.
And I'm gonna write it over here.
Okay,
Column mark and
need is slow. Okay, Ades.
move that
Then,
over here.
without
This
wasting time, okay, what is
enter
the
in this
shortcut to
and
close
just look at
document?
this.
Ades.
And I'm gonna just control asset save it. I'm just gonna have it a
Sir,
little bit over
What
here.
is the
So guys,
shortcut
now if you
to
want this to also add little
close
bit
the
big, then
document?
you don't need to do nothing.
Shortcut key.
You need to comment
Ades.
over here in paragraph.
If you
sir,
if
And
you
you know, write this over
if you are
here
having
as
a
you want
listening problems, you
instead
can
of
write the answer from a
what you
chat
need
box
to
also.
do is
Ades.
you need to write um instead okay
sir, to
you need to
save
come to
document
below
or
page of this in the
To
left side
close,
of
close, not
paragraph
saves.
and you need to write over
Close,
there one
close
more
the
this and you
document.
need to
Okay,
write
to
over there
close
big
the document,
and
what is the
again
shortcuts
and after writing
which
big
we
over
use in
here
a MS Word?
this big also big over here and you know just
sir,
come it
it
over
is
here and
press
instead of
CT
this you're gonna
control
write big
plus W.
again you're
Okay,
gonna
very good,
leave
Ades.
this and you're gonna save it
And how's the
so
preparation
this
going on,
become a little
Ades?
bit big
Your
you can see over here
Sir, it
that time
is
it was
going
very
well.
small now this become a little bit
Ades
big
Dakal. This is
and
Ades
now
Dakal.
if you
Yes.
want more than big
Yes,
of
sir.
this
Okay.
then
So
you
keep
what you need
well
to do
preparations,
is
Ades.
you just close this
So and learn well. This
and
is
go
from
to
your teacher
home
side.
you
We can
close
we can
this
say more than this. Okay, I'm going
and
for the
go
next
to
is
end
called
you're gonna
Ripson
write it over
graphic.
here
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
H1
Ripson.
heading
Yes,
So
sir.
how's your preparation going
it's
on,
gonna be
Ripson?
very big
Sir, not so good.
so I'm gonna write
Why?
it
What happens? What's
heading
the
Sir,
problem?
sir,
okay
I'm not feeling well,
and
and
I'm gonna
that's why.
just save it
Oh my
and then we
God!
can see
Please
this and this
take your
are
health. Health
equal
is wealth, isn't it?
this
Health. If this
okay
health is good, then everything
So
will be
now what
good.
you need to
Okay,
do
listen,
is
take care
change background color.
and
Then you
visit
need to write
to
it over here.
the doctors in a
For
very
now we are
proper
writing
and
paragraph,
secure
so we will
way,
be writing
because
paragraph
you know
one,
very well the situations. What is the situations? Okay,
three.
Ripshan,
Yes,
and
sir.
take care
I'm going to save
and
it.
don't give it so much
I'm going
stress.
to
Okay,
write it
so
like
if you'll
this.
be
So now
well, then definitely
let's
you can
make it a
recover
little
your
bit
studies
bigger.
also.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
it's learn not so much by giving
B.
stress. Learn very
Okay, sir.
I will leave this mark over here. Then and I'm gonna write over
Sir?
here big. Sorry.
and learn
Sorry.
in such a way that that things doesn't give you any
I'm gonna
stress in your
save it.
mind. Okay,
No,
Ripshan.
big,
Okay,
big
sir.
style and all.
Okay, Ripshan, I'm asking you the point questions. Okay, what is word processing, Ripshan?
I guess be
Word
big,
processing.
Yeah.
and it's gonna be a little bit bigger. Now you need to write background image for this. So in background image, I want.
A word processing is a device or
So
computer
for
that
this, you need to
provides
write
for
style.
input in editing,
For
formatting,
this,
and
you need to
output of
just do
text.
a little
Very
bit.
good,
No, you
Ripshan.
just write over
A
here.
good
You need to
try.
write the separate
And
in the
take
separate
your health
line
and
over here.
take your
Suppose
health first. You
this
maintain
line is
your health,
called three
and then
number.
only go for your studies.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Ripshan.
If you
Okay,
want
thank you very much,
this or like
Ripshan.
this, so we sure that you
Okay, then
Okay,
I'm
sir.
going
Thank you,
for
you
sir.
need to
the
write in the
okay.
separate line.
Not we
Or
are
if you
we
were
are not going to
only
try
finished
now because
in three number,
already. Okay,
then
Nitesh
you
Singh.
have
Did
to
I
go
take
for
your Nitesh
four
Singh
number.
before? Nitesh
Because
Singh. Okay,
in
Nitesh Singh, you
in
didn't take.
for
Okay,
changing the
Nitesh.
background color, you have to do like this
Nitesh.
one.
Okay, Nitesh.
So now what you
How's
need
the
to do
preparation going
is
on for the examination, Nitesh? How's the preparation going on for the examination?
so I'm just gonna write over here like this. Interest this it right body over here.
How about
This
your
is gonna
health,
be more okay. Okay, now this is gonna be over here.
Nitesh? Yeah,
Color
common cold. Oh my God, common cold means you know that today
it's
in a today's time.
no no
Yes,
always
please
this
take
okay
care about
yellow.
your health and don't give so much
Comment
stress in
over
your
here.
studies.
Now you need to
Take it
end
in a
this
very
line.
easy way and learn in a very not in a very
You
complicated
need to
way. In an
end this
easy way, you
line
go
by
in your
writing
studies in an easy
style
way. Okay,
and this
Nitesh.
and after
Okay,
style
Nitesh, I'm
this.
asking to you to
Now
paste the
save it.
copy
Your
text.
background color is gonna
What
be
should you
changing.
use
You go to
the
style.
shortcut
In the
key?
style inside of the style section, you had right
Did you hear my questions,
body.
Nitesh?
Okay, and body means like this, in which you're gonna design the page. You'll write body over
Yes.
there. After this,
Paste the
inside
copy
body, you're
text.
gonna write this mark,
To
and you have
paste
to
the
separate
copy
it
text.
with two lines. Inside this
You have book with you,
open
Nitesh.
mark and close mark. With your
Hello?
red background color.
Hello,
Yellow.
Nitesh. Can you listen me?
And you're gonna save this
Nitesh.
page.
I
And
think
you're gonna
Nitesh has some
reload this
problems
and just press Ctrl
is
R, or you're gonna just
in his
come over here,
connectivities.
refresh it.
Okay,
You're gonna
Nitesh,
save this.
can you hear
Okay.
me?
So I'm just gonna write it over here, Wikipedia. There. And
Yes.
I'm just gonna go to Wikipedia.
Mm.
Let's see you wiki.
Yes.
It's gonna be taking a lot of time, not that much of,
Yes, you
but
can say once again.
uh, I've write it over here in English. And
Okay, type. Type in chat box.
something. Oh, it's of language. I'm gonna just write it over here in English. How many of English language? So you can see over here so many things. You're gonna just take this page. You're gonna copy this. You're gonna paste it in this.
Yes, did you finish?
Not in this. You're gonna copy it over here in this. Hi guys. I'm gonna leave it over here like this. You're gonna just make it a
How
little
long
bit
will take a time,
over here.
Nitesh?
Just taking it out, okay? Like this.
Control was B. Okay, very good,
And you're gonna
Nitesh.
just come it
Good
over
try.
here in this.
But
Hi
it took us
guys.
so much time
and
It's okay.
delete this like
So
this.
students, still is there
Sir, I
anybody?
am
Those
already right.
okay, I just saw now. Okay, students, thank you for
Oh,
having a
sorry,
good on oral
wait,
test.
like this.
So students, please,
Sir,
I'm
I will say answer CTR. Sorry.
yes,
Sir, I am saying answer no CTR.
CTRL
Now
plus
you know
B.
just
Yes,
that's much like this,
CTRL plus
and you
B.
know just
Yeah,
so
I
this,
got it.
and you can see over
So
here
now let's go for the
like this again.
chapters.
So this is our paragraph, and
What
this
is
is our
that?
hello friends.
Questions? You have
Okay,
questions?
this is our heading, which
Yes,
we
ask the
want.
questions.
Okay,
Please don't ask me about my email or
we choose
project
the
works.
topic over here
You have
is
to ask the
English
questions
language.
with the
Then we're
chapters only,
gonna write
okay?
over here except of
Yeah.
hello friends.
Yes,
We're gonna
sir.
write
Sir, I wanted to
it over
ask
there
that
English language.
this chapter is of page
Because
number
of this
93
P,
is
yeah,
five
it's
number difference
gonna be
ABC and the
paragraph. So
following.
for that
Hmm.
only,
And ABC
yeah,
there are
okay.
three numbers. We will have to do that also in our exercise or not. I'm confused because you are
Sorry
not
guys,
answering
except
that.
of this, I need to write it
Yes,
over
I
here.
didn't ask you. These questions are coming
Wait, oh,
in a winter
it's
vacation. Also,
already
there's a
written
lots of
P over
works we
here.
are going to
So that
give
means
you.
it's color.
And this
It's designing for
differentiate
this.
is not possible
So
to write
guys,
in an online
it's this
basis.
is
Okay,
heading,
Niba.
style,
So,
text
but
align,
you know
center,
the
color
what
red,
is the moving and what is the copying
and
text.
except of
Just you have
hello
to grab
friends,
the
we're gonna write
points
it
in your mind
over
that
there.
how can
Yes,
you
sir.
write the answers,
And you
isn't it? Okay, Niba. This is not the big problems. That what is the
write
meaning
it
of
like
moving? What
that.
is the
We're
meaning
gonna
of
write
copying?
over there
What is the find
English
and what is
language. This is
replace?
our heading,
This is not a complicated terms
and
which
you're
you
gonna
don't
save
know.
it
Yes,
Okay, it's very
sir.
much easy. But
by pressing Ctrl
okay,
S.
I'll show you
So heading,
after
style, and
examinations.
this all
This
things
how
and
do you write
English language
in your
and heading
textbook in
ends.
your exercise books?
Now
How do you
after this,
write
it's
the
paragraph.
differences that I'll show you? But one point is
Paragraphs will
enough.
be in big
Okay,
letters,
Niba.
so I just wrote over
Okay,
here.
sir.
Big
Okay,
Sir, we
very good.
haven't did this in our
and
exercise, so will I need to do or not?
after this, inside this P,
Which
I
one?
wrote over here style,
Sir,
text, line,
I
center,
haven't did it
color
in
red,
exercise because I
and I just
wanted to
entered
ask
that.
you. So now should
Here
I
is
do
our
or not?
paragraph.
Not
So
now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
when we minimize
Yes.
this, except
Are you
of
asking
in
Excuse
question?
this
me,
hello
sir.
friend,
Yes.
which now we
Sir,
wrote
can you just
this,
answer of question number
we just
E?
wrote English
Which number?
language.
Phone
So
number question number E.
I'm going to
Phone
refresh
number
this,
question number E.
Four
and
number
it's
question. Okay. What is
our
meaning the
head.
formatting the documents? Okay. Okay. Listen
So
very carefully.
guys, I'm
Formatting the
just gonna
documents.
go back and
Exercise you
oh
can make
shoot,
it yourself also. Formatting means to manage the
I'm gonna
documents
write
by their
English
alignment, by their size, by their colors,
and
by their
this
pictures. Okay, listen very carefully.
like
Okay,
this.
understand what I'm saying? That to edit the documents
How can I please
by the
is
size of their letters, by the pictures, by the colors is
comma?
called the formatting the documents. Okay, understand Nitesh?
Yes, sir.
Nitesh?
Sir,
Okay,
can you
formatting
again say
means
the answer?
okay,
Oh
first
my
understand the
sure
meaning of
that's
format. What is the meaning of format? Format means to edit the layout. Okay, just like as if anybody will say that, okay, Nitesh, please,
see
the way you are looking right now, please format your appearance. Isn't it? If anybody will say to you, okay, Nitesh, please format your appearance, then what will you do then? You will go to the barber, you will cut your hairs, you will dye your hairs, color your hairs, and you will put some kind of a creams over your faces, isn't it? And
I'm
you
just
will
gonna
put the
copy
nail polish
this,
over your nails, isn't it? And you will put some kind of a goggles over your face, isn't
and
it?
after this I'm just
This
gonna
is what
leave it
you
over
are
here
just
beer text,
changing your
which is known
appearance. You are
as
changing
break.
your face appearance. That is
I'm gonna leave it
called,
to a
that
break
comes
stand
technically
right
we
over
say formatting.
this,
Okay,
and
Nitesh,
I'm gonna control
that
S
comes
save it.
technically we say
After
formatting.
saving,
Understand? The
we
same
just
way
come over here. We just wrote now.
in case of a
So
documents
this
when it
one
comes, the
over
formatting means
here.
what? To change the color of
Say you can
letters,
see over here
put the
like this,
photographs,
which
and
is
put the
here's
attractive
so many
letters
expressions
and
again over
attractive
here.
colors, pictures
So
over
if you
the
wanna
page.
more increase
That
the
is only the
space,
meaning
then
of
you have to
formatting the
write over
documents.
here, you know,
I think
your BR
you got the
text,
idea. Nitesh,
more BR text,
am I right,
and you're
Nitesh?
gonna save it with Control S.
Okay, you can see the
So
answer.
you can see it.
Yes,
That's
sir.
like
Yes,
how
the
much
answer which has been written by the
the lines
Yes, sir.
Niba.
haven't
You can
I got it.
broken, haven't broken.
understand.
So now it's more broken.
If anybody will say
So
that,
this
okay,
is our
format your
full static
appearance. The
web
same way,
page
format
of
your
HTML
documents.
designing.
The same, if you
So
can
now what are we gonna do
manage the answers, then
is
both the answer will come same. Okay, Nitesh. So if you have any questions
you can
again,
see over here like
you
this.
can ask with us. Okay, Nitesh. Okay, now let's come to the points. Our
Okay, now
topics, that's what
I'm
is a
gonna leave.
spreadsheet and what
Okay,
examples. Okay, very good. Please, you have to
okay, I'm
ask the
gonna leave over
questions.
here
Some
the
questions,
Instagram
maybe
page.
as being I'm teachers, maybe these questions will be nothing. This question doesn't have any meanings for me. Okay, for some students,
That's
the students those who are
actually
good,
set.
for them the meaning doesn't have anything for this type of questions. Okay, but some students will have problems with these questions. That's why you have to ask your questions with
So
the
I'm just gonna
teachers
leave
without any
my
kind of
Instagram as
hesitations.
this.
Okay,
Okay,
so
then I'm gonna copy
we
this
are at the middle
URL.
of the chapter number
I'm
8.
gonna come over here,
So these are our last chapters, and up to
put
what
this
point I'll
that
explain to
upwards,
you. Up to that
and in
point,
the
you prepare
best
for the examinations
this, I'm gonna leave
and
for like I don't
learn
want
well.
space.
Okay, what
I'm
is
gonna
a
write over
spreadsheet?
here A,
A spreadsheet is nothing. It's just a page
and
only.
then inside
So
this
people,
A, I'm gonna
I
write
don't
in
know.
here
Most of the students they are
HREF.
taking in a very,
I'm gonna just put it
very
like
in a
this.
complicated way. The meaning of
And
spreadsheet.
in this
Spreadsheet doesn't have
HREF,
any
I'm
great
gonna leave
meanings.
one design.
Spreadsheet is just
Not
a
this.
call
I'm
a
gonna
page
just do
only.
this,
But
and
that
I'm gonna
page
do this,
has a specific
and A in
structures.
the side.
Okay, spreadsheet
So
is
in
nothing. It is
this,
just a
inside
page
this
only, but it has a
HREF, I'm
specific
gonna write the link,
characteristics.
which
What is
was
that
I just
characteristics?
copy
It
pasted now,
has
and
rows, columns,
you can
and
see over here.
cells.
I'm gonna
Okay,
write
it has
is
rows,
by
columns, and
Instagram.
cells. Okay, so whatever work we do,
Okay,
all the works in a spreadsheet we
uh,
perform in a cells.
page
I mean that rows and columns. There's a rows
by
and there's a
page,
columns.
and I'm
Because
gonna
of rows
save
and
this with
columns, cells
using
has been
Control
formed.
S,
Because of the rows and
copy,
column,
and I'm
cells
gonna
has been
refresh this
formed.
page.
Okay, students. So if there's no rows, if
So
there's
we
no
have
columns,
over
there's no
here
cells
one
also.
or
Means whatever work we do in a
with the
spreadsheet, we do all the works in a cells. Okay, and the
with
softwares
the just
which
begin.
perform these all the
We
tasks
can
in a sales, that is
a
called the
text I
spreadsheet
just
software.
use.
Then you can
Yeah,
ask, sir,
over here.
what
Oh,
type of
it's
tasks
so
do we do in
small.
a spreadsheet, sir? You can ask the
If you
question.
think it's
So
so
what type of
small,
tasks
and
do we
if you
do in
want
a
to
MS
make
Excel,
it
in
more
a
bigger
spreadsheet, sir?
than this,
Then I'll
then you're
say,
going to use
especially in a spreadsheet, we do
over here
mathematical tasks,
big,
logical tasks.
big,
Okay,
this, and
not
again
the story writing,
big,
typing,
big,
drawing,
and this.
isn't it?
So inside this, you're gonna
Yes, that's correct,
do
isn't it?
this.
You have to understand
Okay, and
in a very simple way that in a spreadsheet mostly we do the mathematical, logical,
no,
and
I'm gonna not set it
graphical
on this.
works. Okay, this
I
is the
just this
speciality of the spreadsheets. Yes, you can write.
Why is it not coming? Huh.
Yes, and the examples of the spreadsheet softwares: your MS Excel, Lotus 123, and Apple
Make it
Works,
over
which I mentioned in
here.
my slide. You can see over there.
And in the last also,
So
I'm gonna
basically
write
these
this
chapters we are going to talk about
big
the MS Excel. Listen, these chapters we
and this.
cover, we are going to talk
So
about
after
the
writing big
MS Excel. What is MS
over
Excel?
here, and
MS
the
Excel is a
style,
spreadsheet
and
creating
in,
software, or you can say MS
I'm
Excel is
just
a spreadsheet
this.
software. Okay, which does is all
Very much
tasks
space.
through a
I'm gonna
row
save
and
this
a
now,
column.
Control S,
Through a row and
and I'm
column.
gonna
Okay,
minimize it.
so it is a
I'm
part
gonna
of Microsoft
see the
Office
string.
system developed by
You
Microsoft
can see over
corporations,
here, guys.
and
Here
there are lots
is
of
my
versions of it.
page.
They are your
So
Excel 2007, Excel
when I just
2010,
clicked over
Excel
here,
2013, and
you
Excel
can see it
2016. Okay,
took me
so
to the
up to these points I explained to
next.
you in my previous class also. So up
So
to the
I don't want to
features of
just
MS
do
Excel,
it
how to
as
start, what is file extensions. These are all the things I explained to you in my previous class, students. So I hope that
I'm just
you are
gonna
preparing well,
put
you're
this over
revising
here.
well. So is up to these points. If you have any questions,
Refresh
you can
this
ask with me.
for you.
The file extension of Excel is your XLS.
So
So you
guys,
can
you
see
know, we
there's
can see over here. It's sure like this. English
X,
language.
XLS, XLSX, isn't it? So a little bit confusions to say in a pronunciations. XLSX. So
That's
this is the
perfect.
file extension
So
of your
I'm gonna just
Microsoft
do it like this
Excel.
again.
Okay.
I'm gonna do
So
like
these are the
this.
parts of your MS Excels, which you can see here, isn't it? Up to these
So now
points,
what we
isn't
are
this up to these
waiting
points?
for
This part of
is
the MS Excels you can see here. Isn't it? You can I mark over there also. This is called the vertical part is called the columns, and the horizontal part is called
let's make a one more
columns.
page for
Vertical part is
this.
called the columns, and horizontal part I have marked over there row header, column headers. Okay, row headers, column headers
I'm gonna
always
write again
indicated
E
by the
and
alphabets,
this.
and row
And
header
save
is
this.
always
Oh,
indicated by
I'm
the
gonna write
numbers. You
anything
can see
because
here.
it's
Yes,
already
and
over
this is called your
here.
cell
So I'm gonna
address.
just paste
Whichever
this
cell you will
and first I'm
select,
gonna just
over
copy
there you
this.
can see the
I'm
cell
gonna
address
just
over
paste
there.
this
Okay,
again over
and you
here.
can see there is a
So
formula bar where you can
okay.
type the
Now I'm
formula.
gonna
How can
just
write the formula that I'll explain to you
remove this.
in my next class. Okay.
Wait,
Now see
yeah.
the students.
I'm just
These are the
gonna fill
parts
it
of
up
MS
here.
Excels. Parts of MS Excel are going to see.
So
Okay.
okay,
So if you see the
cut it
parts
off.
of MS Excel, then you can find these parts:
Okay, attribution.
workbook,
Okay,
worksheet,
and
row,
inside this also
column,
I'm gonna
cell, cell address,
put it
cell
down.
range.
Cut
In a
it
book,
up.
there's a given lots of parts, isn't it?
So now
So
we're
that
gonna
is
make
not
it a one
necessary
more
to,
page for this,
but we have to
and
learn
that
those
will
all the
be
parts also,
named
isn't it?
as
So according to me, these are the
um
main part,
next page.
or we can say the elements of MS Excel. Understand,
I
students?
don't know what
I
it's
hope that
taking
you
me to
are understanding,
understand.
and if you have questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you memorize memorize these points,
Okay, this
students.
game, so I'm gonna write it over here. Not bad.
Okay, Prasanna Bhandari, where she has gone? I told you, students. Sorry, it's asking to you, Prasanna Bhandari. Then you don't write in the chat box. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have to speak. Okay, very good. Keep it up. Keep your all damaged mics and learn like this way. Okay, Shikshit
Because I just
Shrestha.
wanna make a one more, so I'm gonna create one more
Yes,
notepad.
sir.
This
Okay, Shikshit
right over
Shrestha.
here.
Learn the
That
elements which I
wait,
mentioned in the slide.
right.
Shikshit Shrestha.
Yes, sir.
Wait a
Yeah.
second.
What are the elements of Excel I mentioned in the slide?
Elements of Excel.
Already 32 minutes. Wait,
Workbook.
I don't know.
What's so fun? Why so fun? Shikshit?
Elements of
Okay. So guys, I'm just there now. Okay, wait a second. Now what to do is I'm just to come to a new page over here. So I'm gonna write over here H1, not H1 now. Heading, and heading also it is very big. Not that much big. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, big. I'm gonna write over here. Um, style. Inside the style, I'm gonna write over here. This. And inside this, I'm gonna write over here. This. Like this. So I'm gonna write yeah, next a line will be at center and one more and color of this will be um okay. Now let's know. Okay. Now do it as either red and big. Okay, let me just do it as home page. Make sure to go home page. Click should you go to go home. Go home. What the hell? Where is action? Oh, home. You do it. Click here to go home. Okay. Wait a second. Go. And I'll be saving this. Alright, my project desktop. Okay, my project. Okay, I'm gonna do it as all files. UTF, UTF, and that's it. I had already said you. And next page, next dot HTML. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save this too. So I'm gonna come over here next. Yeah, click here to go home. Now I'm gonna add something over here that is to go over there. So we just did this much. Now I'm gonna do it like this color that. Now I'm gonna do to go against. Okay. Now I'm gonna just yes one step only. And now I'll be writing big on this. What the hell? Now I'm gonna write over here big and this and big. Sorry. Okay. After writing big over here, so I'm gonna write button. And over here will do button. So after writing button, I'm gonna just set it as style this so that it becomes okay. So I'm gonna write it over here. Color that is red and respect this as uh um text align is in center. Just save this now. Button. And see over here, here's the button. So I'm gonna just write over here via text added, which is called rec. And now it's gonna begin. Where's the bit? Okay, I'm gonna remove this button. I'm gonna write. Okay. You just remove this button. I'm gonna write over here. Go home. No, go home page. So I don't want to use go home page. Let's go. So I'm gonna write more the home page. I'm usually beer text. I'm gonna write and more. How much is this? Not finishing. Beer text. So it came into overview. Anyone can see this now. And now I'm gonna just change this background image to blue. So how do I change over here? Now the steps are now uh, select a perfect line for sure. You just add it and write this and write style over there and hit enter now. More times and over here. Body usually write only body. So usually write like this. And you should double this. Okay. Double clicking in spacebar. So I'm gonna write over here background color is blue. I'm gonna close this text to it. Is if style and this. And I'm gonna save it Ctrl S. I'm gonna refresh this page. So this doesn't. So yeah, white juice suits over here. It looks cool when here's what. So where's red? Okay, here's red. So this is of that. So the here is red. So you write this. I'm gonna write except of this. I'm gonna write white over here in this text. I'm gonna save it. And I'm gonna refresh this page. So this became white and go home page. This is literally like this. So inside this, you gotta write a that over here. You're gonna write actually yeah equal to this, and you're gonna write the link of that which we just saved. That is my project.html. My space project.html. Okay, you will just write over here my space project dot sorry dot html, and you receive this is homepage. And I'm gonna press Ctrl S. I'm gonna minimize this. I'm gonna minimize this too. And I'm gonna refresh this. So this became, and you're gonna come to home page. So my script page is in a shoot. So now we need to add this page by linking to this page. So this page is called what is this page called? Next.html. So and you could come over here and I'm gonna say over here I just used it. I'm gonna add over here next.html. Okay. So I'm gonna write this it as you're in this. Oh sorry, this all the I'm gonna add this by writing uh go to next page, and I'm gonna write beer text over here. We are 90% for this. I'm gonna save it by Ctrl S. I'm gonna refresh this, and you can see over here English language. So we want this to become we want this line to become below here, or what the hell, it became everything. So this also OMG. So this will be not be over here. If I say that this will be exactly oh ha Control C and just remove this. I'm gonna add a little bit. Okay. And I'm gonna add it. Oh shoot, Control V. Control S. I'm gonna just refresh this page. It's gonna be saved. I'm gonna add this over here. Yeah, over here beyond text. More than this. Oh sorry. And just be this. So guys, you will see over here like this. So I'm gonna just remove this now because of the word we are on it. So over here, this. What? That interesting. So okay, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna just remove this and I'm gonna write it over here. Steve and again Dave. So you need to write this Dave as much as I say. After this, you should write body and you should write this HTML and so you should save it now and you should refresh. So this is gonna be a real page and how would you see? So I'm gonna just copy it over here and I'm gonna remove this. What's this over here? What BR is only over here, so I'm gonna remove this. So this. So I'm gonna save this. It's gonna everything is gonna be like this, so I'm gonna just do it whatever. Oh sorry. Now what you're gonna do is let me just remove this and I'm gonna just into shoot. So that page is gonna be so I'm gonna refresh it. Go to the next page. I have to leave this on. Right here. Next over. Shoot. As much as I can. So shoot it becomes like this. So what I do is copy over B. Okay, I understood now what to do. Now what to do is I will copy this text and I will be pasting it over here in a below heading. And I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna refresh this. It's gonna come over here. Got it over. So this. So now how to remove this? What's the way to remove this? Yes. Copy this text. Just do it over here. Paste it inside this. Okay, so I'm gonna save it now. Let's be like that. So over here is go to the next page. And when they pull it out, they will go to the next page and after that again if they want that they want to go to. So guys like this only you can make it. So I thought so you all will be thinking that Today I'll be teaching you Sublime Text from Sublime Text. Hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm just gonna add this in over here a little bit more bigger than that. So what I'm gonna do is uh, canvas. I'm writing canvas over here. Not over here. Over here. And in canvas. Over here. So I'll be closing this. And this canvas begin for the width. Where the hell? Oh. Now we have to write one more time for this. And you have to write this much on tilde. So you write it like this. Inside this. Save this and reload this page. So this is our shoot. So it's okay for this much. So I'll be writing over here Wikipedia. So how do I write Wikipedia over here is we should really write sure is heading box so that it becomes very big. And I'm gonna write it over here text line text this. Oh that equal to this and text line this a line and I'm gonna just do it equal to this. I just remove this. I'm gonna write over here text lines this and this. Now what this text line is center. So I'm gonna just save it. I'm gonna write over here Wikipedia. Wikipedia. And I'm gonna write over here writing Wikipedia. Uh before this with this block before with this block it ends you have to write it over here only this uh color is red gears. Okay, I'm just gonna save it by pressing Ctrl S and I'm gonna just see the change how it is. So here's my Scrum page and English language. This is and Wikipedia's compassed option and this over here everything and background image is also nice. So over here it's written Wikipedia. So I want this also to be over here in uppercase over here. So okay. I'm writing over here Wikipedia ends. So this match is for today. No. Okay, other stage. So Wikipedia ends. It became over here. So I just want like this only Wikipedia over here only. So just heading, not a paragraph. So what should I do is I'll be closing this. I will be saying below my Instagram page. I'm right over here. Below Instagram page. So where's that? Look at my Instagram page. Exactly below over here. So I'll be writing canvas and I'll be editing with the word canvas only. And I'll be writing over here Wikipedia. Wikipedia became. So now it doesn't come like this easily. Sure, still don't believe that it is not written till now. See, it has just become space barred. Just a little bit spacey. So you have to hit enter and again you have to write Wikipedia here. So Wikipedia, okay. I wrote Wikipedia with sure, so I will be writing that thing. So now Wikipedia already am. So what I do is refreshing, as you can see. How this came out with your welcome Wikipedia ends. How we wrote is H1 text align Wikipedia and all. We wrote that like that. So guys, it's not easy to write. H1 start text line. I will just copy this. Why should canvas but this to Wikipedia and this partially there are fitting, but why should I write like this? Canvas Wikipedia. I should cross this. I will write except of this. Only this much. So I'm gonna save it by pressing Ctrl S, and I'm gonna just comment over here in the app. Oops. I think this language. Wikipedia. So there can be tutu like this. So I want that also to become. So I'm gonna just paste it one more time for this. Is oh B paragraph. This is for paragraph B. Alright, I'll just save it and this loudspeaker. See, English language. And I want to add this. Wikipedia adds keyword cute. What the hell? So I just want to remove this Wikipedia ads. So how to remove Wikipedia ads? Did this become properly refreshed? How did this start text line center? Where Wikipedia ends. What? Oh, okay. What did it forget? I understood. Except of this, I have to write a thing. So, Wikipedia angel the dispute. Oh, that's I'll be closing the stacks. Let me see how it becomes. Let me do it like this. So I would like this. Okay. So our page is ready now. This is for go to next page. This is also for go to next page. What the hell? How can I begin? Go to next page. Go to next page. Oh, what's for Canva? Okay, I can understand. So what if you just refresh this? So guys, this just now became our page is ready. This is my front page, and here is Wikipedia and English language. Okay, our heading is of English language, and we will write about English. What is English and so many things. Over here, we just wrote it. For example, we didn't wrote it. We just did compassed only but only Wikipedia has this. Okay, so this is this Wikipedia ends. And when you click to go to the next page, then it becomes like this. And click here to go to click here below to go. Click here below to go. Yeah, that was that. Click here below to go home. Oh, this is not of that. I mean, this is not of this. Okay, so over here we click here to click here below. Click below to go home. Yeah, click below to go home. I just Control S, save it, and I'm gonna refresh. Click below to go home at home page and get version. Let me pause this for a second. So guys, we just made like this page. What? That became disappeared. Is that real? Oh shit. That just now became disappeared. But why? Alright. So, yeah, now it's totally fine. That's 53. That's it. Wait a second, guys. First is this. What was it? So, by the Instagram page, it takes you to the Instagram page. Alright, once. So, after this, Wikipedia English language and all, and this is, we just copy pasted this Wikipedia, and Wikipedia ends, we just made it now, and this, I should really close this. So guys, we just now made this page static. So this is fine now. Okay, we just load this page. When you just click it over here, that time you just see it like that. And when you just click at over here, go to the next page, you just see click here below to go home, and when we click over here, just do. So guys, like this, all you can do it, okay? And in the previous video, I just said you have to use Sublime Text 3 and how to make it more better than designing that like previously. So guys, I thought of the second point. I just taught you how to design more better than that. Okay. Or if you have not watched my previous video, then watch it now only. I will be giving you the link in the description below. So guys, this much for today. Okay, in the next video, I'll be teaching you in the part two. No, in the part three, I'll be teaching you how to use Sublime Text Stream and very easily. I just uh, taught you how to design more better than previously. So guys, if you like this video, then just a like, or if you have any confusion till now, you just say in the comment box below. Bye bye, tata, see you later guys.